Connect the Auto Enginuity to the OBD2 port of the truck and to the computer. Then you'll go to the Auto Enginuity and open it up. Make sure your key is on in the on position. Engine off, key on, engine off. Click the connect button right up here. Select forward. Do all this good stuff. Now you do have to have the Ford enhanced package to be able to do this, to change this, calibrate the speedometer. Go next. And then this is where I think a lot of people go wrong when they can't find how to change the tire size. Enhanced powertrain has most of your features, but then there's other features over in here and down here. For the tire size, you want to go to the anti-lock brake category. Go next. I'm not going to scan for any codes. Then you go over to the special function and you'll see tire size configurations there. So you'll click tire size configuration, initiate that. I'll perform the test, say this is the tire size currently on the vehicle. Come over here and you can scroll through the different tire sizes, I think all the way up to 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, so all the way up to 40 inches. And I have 35s on this truck, but I did a speedometer calibration at 35 and it was not agreeing with the GPS on my phone with multiple tries or driving with other vehicles. So I narrowed it down to exactly 33.5. I don't know why it had to be that to be perfectly on, but that's what it was for me. Then when you're done, we've got the tire size you want, just click done up here. And it'll say please cycle the key before continuing. So cycle the key. And you're good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe below.